everyone, today I'm gonna test this tower speakers TAS-150s that I built about 1 year ago, and I also made a building video, and that video got too many dislikes because I used some cheap drivers and also did not use any dampening material inside these speakers. After that video I upgraded the tweeter. Before it was piezo. That was really horrible speakers. It sounded like the sound was coming from a jar or something like that, and I replaced it with this soft dome tweeter, and I also used some soft material inside the speakers, and now the speakers sound much better. Today I want to show you how the speakers sound in stereo with two Studio Microphones BM-800s. And now let's get started, now shall we? And that's it for today. Please subscribe for more content, like if you enjoyed, comment down below, and thanks for watching.